Companies hold a lot of valuable data within their business. However, the data is stored in multiple locations. They know they need to get all their data into a single trusted location so they can unlock insights and value from their data and have a single source of truth. The challenge they face is that the process of doing this takes a significant amount of custom coding, time, cost, experience, and skills required. At Fujitsu Data and AI, we recognize this, so developed an Azure Data Factory Accelerator to rapidly ingest data from a large variety of sources and store this data in the cloud for analysis and value creation. The Fujitsu Data and AI ADF Accelerator is a meta-driven framework, which easily and rapidly enables you to move your data into the cloud. Rather than developers creating large numbers of custom pipelines for datasets to be loaded to the cloud data stores, the ADF Accelerator uses source system metadata and a single pipeline to move your source system data to the cloud. This allows more data to be rapidly loaded to the cloud, providing a reliable and consistent approach to data integration that is simpler to manage and support. Our flexible metadata-driven framework enables changes to be made quickly and easily by updating metadata rather than modifying code. Developers can focus more on making data useful for reporting and analysis rather than the mechanics of moving data to the cloud. The solution has been designed to work with the most common database systems out of the box. It is also easily extensible to obtain data from other common data sources, including file systems, APIs, and web services.